I may be your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. I may be your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger.
Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Oh yeah, make a move for you.
Mercy. Alright, no problem. We'll get back to you, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Swallow, Baba! Only you and you. Mama, swallow. Daddy, swallow, Baba. After you and you. Oh, ma, come on the lights for you. They don't reach. They request. Baba, one bit of it and me. Make a blow siren for you. You don't feel like I make a mom for you. Make it I said, that's what they do for our place. No, Baba, if you don't like that, I will just cry. Now look at
Hold on. The advert was for a house help, not an entertainer. We don't need a comedian here, we need a house help.
Babe, calm down. To tell you the truth, I am just overwhelmed. What's your name?
Mama, you can call me Ijawele from Nkwere, a town not too far from Uwere. But on the normal, you can call me Awele the hype man.
Okay. Do you know what you're here for?
Yes, ma'am. How's it work? And Mama, I'm calling. No look around. That's what I do for a living. That's my destiny on earth. That's why I'm here, Mama. I used to work in a parish. I worked there for 6 years. As a cleaner, cook. Sometimes I preach. Sometimes when Father is not around, I used to take confession.
Okay, slow down.
Anything I can do.
Slow down. So, tell us, what makes you think you're better than the other people here?
Mama, now Willie and others. What's it? I want it, man. Daddy, I should shine. God bless you, sir. Daddy, I help me, sir. Hey. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. What I'm saying, what am I? Chief, interview don't prepare.
Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Oh yeah, make a move for you.
Really? You are hired. Did it occur to you that you needed my consent to hire her?
Your consent?
Yes.
You were there, weren't you? So what's all this fuss about now?
She wasn't my choice. I wanted someone who was serious-minded, someone who is focused, not some impractical human being.
Impractical?
Yes. She's not sensible in content, behavior, attitude.
Babe, this girl is smart. And she has 6 years working experience. What more could you possibly want?
Are you being serious right now?
Yes.
6 years? How are you sure about that? Listen, I have a legacy to uphold. I have a reputation to protect. I don't need some clown roving around the house.
You are just a self-aggrandizing human being.
What did you just say?
Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Please now. I said I'm sorry. She just seems like a pure soul, and I feel we should give her a chance. Besides, a little fun around the house wouldn't hurt now, would it?
Oh wow. So I'm not fun around the house.
I didn't say that. I just meant more fun.
More fun.
Just a little more. Lighten up. Eh? Lighten up now.
You just have my
No.
number, right?
No.
What?
No.
But I need to punish you all.
Give me no. Okay, sorry.
I I show up, bring up your ginger. Awele, let me be your hype man. Anywhere I show up, bring up your ginger. Awele, let me be your hype man. Anywhere I show up, bring up your ginger.
Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Oh yeah, make a move for you. I go blow siren for you now. We want. Make I cry for you. Now you be mama aya, now you be papa aya. You go shine now, shine like morning star. Make I shout for you, onto colos.
Awele! Why is the breakfast not ready yet? Awele!
Babe, see, I'm running late. Alright? I'll grab something to eat on my way. What's with the face?
This new project you're working on seems to be taking all your time. You skip meals these days. And remember, eating at home
Keeps the mind at home. I know that. Besides, I only skip breakfast.
Even at that, you shouldn't.
Come on, smile for me. And I promise, like I cross my heart, I won't skip breakfast anymore.
Are you sure?
I promise you.
Very, very sure.
See, you look beautiful when you smile. Stop frowning.
Me,
I promise you, alright?
let's go before you go late.
Thank you.
Awele! Awele! Is this girl for me? Awele! Awele. What is going on here? Awele! Ah, your shoe shine! Your shoe shine.
Hey, Mama. Mama. The bread don't do. Okay, dear.
I do not want to believe that I employed a drunk as a housekeeper.
Drunk? No, ma.
Awele, so you take alcohol?
No, ma. Me? No. I never seen that kind of thing drink for my life before. Now only Kai Kai the drink. See him.
So what's the difference?
Mama, Kai Kai the one where they help person, where they cure cold, where they cure catarrh, where they cure fever, even they cure malaria self, and sometimes they give me inspiration.
Awele, do you want to lose your job?
No, ma.
My boyfriend will be so mad if he discovers that you are a drunk.
No,
Awele, this should never happen again.
Yes, ma.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Just clean up this place.
Mama, fry the bread. I bet I want my one. Mama, the breakfast will call. This I don't fry this egg before. What did they play? Who drink my drink? Mama, who drink my drink? Somebody drink my drink here. You know funny, oh. Who drink my drink?
What's going on? What's happening? Awele!
Sure, you are doing very well. Nothing a good report.
Swallow, Daddy, only you now you. Anybody will play you drug with here. Daddy, your shoe shine. Your face show. And I give you on color tears. Let me blow siren for you. Siren now. Let me sit down.
Talk about one. Very sweet.
Everyone wants your life in terms of blue. Papa, Miro, tell you now, only you. Papa, spray you perfume. I'll brush your hair then. I'll brush up. Then you want powder. You know, sit down. Okay.
Inwe m na njọ, gotten me. Hey! Ine mo ọfụma, oh? Ine mo ọfụma, ma achọghị mma kịta. Ọ dịrị gị mma, etu o si bidoro anyị mma.
Anamano? Eh? Ọkpọ nkuzi onwe arabụ na agụ nkirikiri ka a na-ekiri odo na-eji ododo na ozu asị na ike nga adịghị ka awari ya na nkụ ọgịnị dị anụmanụ ka ị na-ebe ọkpọ nkuzi onwe ogbu ọja anụmanụ ei ọbịa m na-arụ nkirikiri ka a na-erikiri ododo ejiri ododo na ozu asị m na ike nga adịghị ka awari ya na nkụ arabụ na agụ chi na ike nga m ọbịa Ojo. Ọgọnọdé. Mba. I will go. Here. I will go.
Na-eme nke ọma.
Ọkọ nwa ide egwu ọja. Ọja. Egwu bụ egwu anyị. Ọya.
Ada eji eje mba.
Ogbu evidekwa ego. Ọya. Egwu. Ọ ga-ebe. Arabụnagụ mmanwụ na-abụ abụ. Ego. Ọya.
What was the meaning of what you just did? Mama, now because you no be evil person, no. Only remember the Naija will think they greet important people, high and mighty. Well, such isn't allowed when you're working for someone. This is being disrespectful. Don't you know that you lose? Mama, you see this Oja? Now I've been taking they keep body and soul together. Now the work what they do with that before I see this job. Now they give me joy.
Well, now you have a job. You're lucky my boyfriend isn't around. He would have dismissed you immediately. Listen, I like you, and that's why I am advising you. I don't want you to have issues with him when I return back to school. And really, this can never happen again.
Mama, this is for IWC. Mama. Chop this one. Now so when they do this kind of money, they don't chop them alone. If you chop them alone, it will hang you for throat.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Papa.
Come here.
Concentrate. Go back to what you were doing before.
What? How do I concentrate with all this sexiness in front of me? That's not possible. You smell so good. See, that's why I can't get enough of you. I'm really going to miss you. Like, really going to miss you.
I'll be back before you know it.
Must you go?
Of course. My exams are forthcoming and I need to go. But baby, I love you. Okay? And I am so grateful for the gift of you.
I love you more.
Now come show me how much.
If I have wings like a dove, I'll fly your way just to be with you every day. But wait a minute, what if you are not there? I'll be lost in the air. I don't wanna be lonely, it will break me. I'd rather stay here with you in my arms. Hello, my love. Are you there? My love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. Hello.
Awele, ma.
My sugar love.
I am leaving now, okay? Please remember everything I told you.
Okay, ma.
And take good care of the house, okay?
Okay, ma.
Take good care of yourself too.
I will. I love you too.
And I love you more. I really miss you.
I miss you too. I love the way you blush when I say I love you. Let's go for me some flights, okay?
Okay. Take care, okay?
Bye, ma.
All right.
Let's go, let's go.
All right, baby.
If I have wings like a dove, I'll fly your way just to be with you every day. But wait a minute, what if you are not there? I'll be lost in the air. I don't wanna be lonely, it will break me. I'd rather stay here with you in my arms. Hello, my love. Are you there? My love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. Hello, my love. Hello, my love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. Hello, my love. Are you there? My love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. Hello, my love. Hello, my love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love.
Awale! Awele! Awele!
Oga, wetin dey happen here now?
I don't know. My housekeeper is not taking my calls and she's not answering the door.
You no get your own key?
I was in a hurry, so I forgot my keys inside.
Abeg, wetin be the way forward?
I don't know. We're stuck in here. We can't go in, we can't go out. Because I padlocked the gate and the keys are inside. Awele!
Oga, wait, I get one idea. Make we go backyard, make we go do am. Or we enter inside your car. Shebi your car get AC. But if you no want, we fit still do am here where we stand o. I no mind. Anytime, anyhow. Just lead the way, I will follow you.
Awele!
What do I inside the car now? After all, na the car own na I like pass. Na car na sweet pass. Oga, how you see am now?
Can you just stop?
Car na sweet now. What do am for here? Wetin we dey wait for?
Can you stop talking so I can think?
Na wow. Ha. Oga, car own sweet. Mo try am now.
If you want to sleep, just sleep. Don't talk again. Why is she not picking my calls?
Missed calls. Hey. Sir?
Where are you coming from? How dare you lock me out of my own house?
Daddy, I'm sorry, sir. I did not lock you. I was sleeping.
You were sleeping?
Yes, sir.
I was banging on this door.
Hi.
For several hours, I called your line. You didn't take my calls.
Daddy, Ndo, is that how my people used to sleep? We used to sleep in our village.
Your people sleep like corpses.
Yes, sir.
Even the neighbors came out.
Hey. Oga, oh yeah, beg. Time don't go. Pay me my money. But if you want me to do am this morning, now double payment be that though. I bet which one you want? Tell me quick. I bet time don't go.
Sorry, I don't have cash on me, okay? And my bank app, the network is bad. Just give me a few minutes. Let me go in, freshen up, and I come out. We'll go to the bank, okay?
No problem. That will not be wahala. Give me your card. Now savings have been current. Yeah. Okay, give me your card now. Okay, give me your card.
I don't blame you. Actually, I don't blame you. I blame myself for telling you.
But if you did not tell me, who else would you tell? I'm the only person you can confide in. So that's your reality. But what I do not understand is, if left in the morning and you brought home a big Barney at night, a mad one at that. So I ask, did you not have enough?
Enough? I am Odumodu. I never get enough. I never spend the night alone, remember? So I can't help it.
You should get your trophy.
Well, if you say so.
Talking about the house help, new house help. You said she made you sleep outside because she dozed off. Now I ask again, is that part of the job description?
It's not. Awele is just a handful. You know, she knows how to do her job. Like, she does her job very well. But the problem is, she drinks a little too much. But just, no, a little too much. And she doesn't drink all the time. It's just, no, nobody's perfect. That's her own downside. So Eve and I decided that we'll help her come out of that.
Interesting.
And she's responding to it. She'll turn around.
Really?
Yes.
So what do you want me to say right now? Like, how do you want me to respond to this?
She'll be fine.
Okay.
She'll be fine.
I don't know what to say, really. You talked about your dad. You said he'll be coming over. That he has some business transactions to conclude with you or something.
You know, Popsy, that man is too careful, too detailed. But his ways are not mine. I like to do my things like pa, 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 sharp, sharp. So for me, he's really delaying me. Like, really delaying me. Hearing that it's coming back, I'm actually tense. Like, completely tense.
But he's being cautious is your problem.
It's a big problem, actually.
But that's what has led him to where he is today.
Well, we're in the new school right now. Maybe that worked back then. Sometimes you need to grab some opportunities, like, boom, and take them.
I think you are the one who needs to find a balance. I said very soon you're going to take over everything, so
I can't wait to take over and call the shots myself. Like, he's clearly slowing me.
Are you planning to eliminate the old man?
Oh God, no.
I don't suspect you.
No. See,
I don't suspect
I beg
you.
I'm innocent too.
Who goes? Yes.
You must be Awele.
Yes, Awele the hype man. How do you know my name? Hey. Imam Nopi Weka. Hey, Daddy! Show us! Show, Daddy! Daddy, your shoes shine. Your face show, Daddy. Mpa, King of Kings and Lord of Lords. The money magnet, Daddy. Daddy, make I cry for you. Yeah. Daddy, make I laugh for you. Daddy, how do you want it? Eh? Daddy, make I blow siren for you. Daddy, they feel me, I feel myself. Hold on 1 second. Hey! Daddy, Mo!
Dad? Yes. She's amazing. I mean, this is surprising. I was blown over.
Really?
Yes, son. Wow.
Oh, I think it's my customer in Opiweka.
No.
Welcome, sir.
No. She's wonderful.
Really?
Son. Wow.
Really?
Yes.
Anyways, how was your journey?
It was okay. It was interesting. It was good.
I will go inside. Where's the luggage?
Oh, it's in the car. I guess the driver is bringing it. Oh, son. This is interesting. Ooh, I almost died of laughter. Hey. Yes, it was. saying, eh?
Yes, trying to sort this one out so that we can reconcile the two.
Daddy Mo.
Yes, sir. Aha. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now you can go.
Daddy, let me stay by your side. I cannot leave you like this now.
Huh?
Yes. Daddy, when I used to work in the parish, I used to stay at Father's side. Father sleep, I sleep. Father stand, I stand. Father shit, I shit. Daddy, Father take confession, I forgive their sins. Yes, sir.
Dad,
Yes.
this is what I go through practically every day.
Oh, but son, I like her.
She's a handful.
No, but she's good. She's very good. She's very good. Stay. Oh, by the way, let me drink more. Wow. Good. So you can stay. Oh, by the way, I hope you dotted the I's and crossed the T's with this cheapest contract, huh?
Oh, yes, I did. I did my due diligence.
Okay.
I investigated them thoroughly.
You're my son.
Thank you. Good morning. Who are you?
My name is Mazi Odokanamba. Ojukwu eje aba nke mbụ. Dịka a na-akpọ ogwu n'anya. Ganga gangam. Onye asị ka eke nwaanyị bụ ọsị nọ mgbada ka ya mma. Onye asị ka ekere ekere ọsị nọ ka abụọ abụọ. Emecha ọgbara aka si na nke dị n'iru ka mma na-echi dị ime na echi ivechi wetere ka mma. Yeah, Mazi, that is my name. Okay. I am a chief security officer in one of the compound here we live around. I am here to see that lady that plays Oja. She's here. So, you see that Oja? You see that Oja? If she's start playing that Oja here, hey, the flute, in fact, it was my ancestors because the spirit of that Oja went to wake and resurrect the spirit of my ancestors. They say, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? That lady that is playing Oja, she's your sister. Garcia, Pep. That is why I'm here.
Really?
Yes. Tell her that her brother is here. In fact, I want to see her and make her friend so that she'll be my sister at the same time.
So you are saying that anybody that plays the Oja is your relative?
See, let me tell you. I am from Obatown in Anambra State. Yeah? You see that Oja? That is what we are known for. In fact, anybody that plays Oja, whether woman or man, is my blood.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Sorry. When you were introducing yourself, it was very long.
Yes.
So what exactly is your name?
My name?
Yes.
My name
Simply
is...
put, please.
Okay. My name is Mazi Odokanamba. But you can easily call me Mazi. So that I later be on them.
Mazi.
Thank you.
Awele is not around.
You say her name is Awele? I need to unafugo. Her name is Awele. That means Ijemu here is Ija Awele. Everything work smoothly. Awele. Ija Awele. Very good.
Mazi. She's not around.
Okay.
When she returns, I'll make sure to tell her that her brother came to look for her.
You said it all. In fact, after you for this thing I just say now, tell her that our brother came here. Hey, Awele, Ija Awele, hey, Ije Awele, Ija Awele, Ija Awele.
Maz, better calm down. Wait.
You get luck.
What do you want to?
I think said all these small thief with that around. I for just shoot all of them. You get luck say you no jump them. But come, Maggie. Why you don't tell me? Say you there around. Why?
I have to concern you.
If I tell me now, make I wait for you now.
I say make I come look. In case you get any woman where you don't carry come. Why you dey laugh?
Maggie, you don't kill me. So because of woman, I make you leave your business. Come here, they wait for me. Yeah? They monitor me, pim, to know whether I carry woman. You know they serious.
And so,
Hey!
best not go mark our territory again. I want to come mark my territory now. You understand? I want to make sure you don't get any girl where you dey carry come here. As my man now, as my guy.
See, Maggie, I tell you, nobody fit take your place inside my life. Now, let me just tell you, my baby, my mecha,
Scam.
oh yum,
Scam.
my one and only, my pino, after you na you, baby na today, ego vi no nwa, ego benz nwa, baby, if no be you, na river Niger, avo. But thank God say, God give me to you. See, the day where God sign now, I was there and I go say, Master, I said, sir, appear. I enter heaven. God just bring book. Maze. Mage. Maze. Mage.
Mama.
Aye.
Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Mama.
Oh, lelele. Oh, yeah. You get to do me.
So I'm your number one.
Hey,
Are you sure?
No mentioner. Nobody.
Are you
Even
sure?
100% Baby, turn.
I'm your one and only.
Hey! Hey!
Mama.
Hmm?
Okay. You said I'm your number one.
Yes.
I'm your one and only.
Hey!
Yeah, come and give me one for the road.
Hey!
Just one round.
Even I don't know can funukan.
Let's go now. Let's go.
Baby.
Mama. Mama.
Hold on. Hey. Who you? Where from? Where to?
And who the hell do you think you are? And why do you think you have the right to ask me that kind of question in my boyfriend's house?
Hey. Boyfriend?
Yes. So just shut your dirty mouth and do the thing you're paid to do. How's hell?
Hey, baby. Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Okay, but then you need to hurry up. I'm waiting. And I'm starving. Can you give me something nice to eat? Please. Thank you. That's why I love you. Alright, bye. What sound is that?
Like she saw a masquerade. I'm not fear.
Hey, babe, slow down. What's the problem? Who's chasing you?
Don't call me babe again. You think I don't know? You brought me to this your house, this shrine you call a house, and then you brought your juju woman so that people use me for rituals. Let me just tell you something. This is the God I serve. He's bigger than 10,000 of you, so you cannot do me anything.
What are you talking about?
You're asking what I'm talking about. You want to use me for rituals, Abi? Or Yahoo plus plus? So let me pass, oh!
What are you... Relax.
Let me pass!
Okay, fine.
Let me just tell you something.
Fine, it's okay. Pass. Come now. What is wrong with you?
See, let me tell you something. The God that I serve, is bigger than you, your juju woman, and your entire village will put together. Just delete my number. You don't know me, I don't know you. We never met.
Cindy! Cindy! Seriously?
Maggie, leave me one. Come on for road number 1. Maggie, come on for road 2. You want to kill me? Now I know all this love where they tell me say you love me, you do this one, you do this one. Now all of them are fake. You just want to kill me on top of what I don't know anything.
You don't hear the person die because he did bench. You never heard him before?
Okay, I tell you. They tell me about you, who were people. I say a lie. But now where you did, I take say everything. See, I don't knock you. We knock for yesterday night 4 times. You say, as I come back, you say, get as they do, you make do. We do 4 times. This morning again, we do 3 times. Reaching now, you see, as I above finish, make I come out. You say, make I still do another one. I managed to do 2 times. You want to kill me?
And so?
Pity my life.
You don't find a jackpot. You don't find them. See, I'm not going to
wait. The only where my great-grandfather never put you on. How will I be the one to put you on?
What it concern me concern your great-grandfather? See, come and find my jackpot. Then we are good.
Ebeka jackpot,
come and find it.
Where did the jackpot?
Where will they go, man? Man, where will they go? I will carry you. 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 Come on, find my jackpot. I will show you where it is. I will show you where it is. Hey, man.
Hey, Odumodu.
Okay.
What's this? When did you start drinking alcohol? 4 bottles. What's going on?
Now I know why you drink alcohol.
Talk to me, what happened?
Okay. I'm finished. I am completely finished. I'm ruined.
Can you please talk to me? Stop. Oh, there's just out with it. What happened?
Do you remember Chibest Nigeria Limited?
Yes, I heard you mention him.
It's a ghost company. I awarded a contract to them. The 20 million naira contract. I awarded it to Chibest Nigeria Limited without doing thorough investigation. Chibest Nigeria Limited is a ghost company. I decided to go on site and, check on the contractors. I got there. There was nothing there. Not even one person was working on site. I said, let me rush down to the headquarters. And I got there. The building's up for sale. There was nobody there.
This is not good.
That is going to kill me. I'm a dead man. I'm just a dead man that has died that is still working. He warned me not to award the contract without doing thorough investigation. In fact, he told Tunde to carry out the investigation. I told him, don't worry. I got this. Look at me. I awarded the contract because I trusted Collins. And this is what Collins has done to me. This is where it has landed me.
It's okay. This is tough.
Barman. Where's the barman? Bring 2 more bottles. Oh, okay. I'm dead. I'm a dead man.
Take it easy.
20
Not good.
20 million.
No, Chief. No.
20 million naira is gone.
Take it easy.
I'm taking it easy.
I have to figure a way.
Barman, where's the alcohol? Bring 2 more bottles. He's working. He's working.
Oga.
How are you? How are you?
How are me? How are me?
How are you? Are you okay?
God bless you, dear.
I'm fine.
I will carry me.
I'm fine.
Yes, yes. Up.
What happened to my staircase? Why is it looking very high?
Did you break? Let's take a pass back. Go upstairs. Pass back. Climb upstairs.
I'll manage it.
Hey! Hey! Oga, get up.
It's okay, I'm fine.
Don't push me.
Awele. Awele. Wake up. What are you doing here? Awele. Jim. What happened? Awele.
Sir.
Please sit.
Sir, okay, let me stand.
No, please. Have your seat, please. Sit. I called you to apologize for what happened last night. I am really sorry. I was under the influence of alcohol. You know, my mind was clouded. I made a bad business decision and I couldn't withstand the consequences. And it's not like I'm making an excuse for what happened last night, okay? I just called you to say that I'm sorry. And please, take this.
Hi. Oga, no be prostitute though. Eh?
No. Awele, no. That's not what I mean.
Oga, now what do you mean by that? No be only prostitute that they sleep with give money the next day.
No, Awele. Listen, I am not proud of myself right now. I'm just trying to let you know that I am sincerely sorry for what happened last night. And I promise you, it will not happen again.
Oga, why they look down on me now?
Awele, I'm not looking down on you. Listen, this money is not a payment. It is not a bribe. This is just me trying to show you that I'm sorry. For my peace of mind, please take this money.
Oga, what you don't play, don't play. What you don't be, don't be. What you don't solve, don't solve. It don't happen, say it don't happen. So don't just forget her. Eh? Put your mind at rest. Excuse me, sir.
Awele, please.
Odomodo, it's not just the alcohol. It's because you are not used to spending a night without a woman. That's why you could not control yourself. Okay, on her own part, why didn't she stop you?
Because she too was drunk.
You see? A drunk household and a drunk boss in a drunk love session.
Guy, you don't dement. No, seriously, you don't dement. She can't talk with that one now.
You can actually keep her as a side chick, you know, like a spare tire in a situation where you did not come home with anybody. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, are you being serious right now? You're being serious?
Dead serious. In the spirit of Okafor's law, which states that once matched is always matcherable, provided the matcherer and the matcheree are not at war.
Okay. You're actually being serious. That thing you are creating in your head is never going to happen. It will never happen.
Forget it. Forget it. It will always happen. Just pray that Eve doesn't catch you. Because that will be your doom.
Can you just stop creating these scenarios in your head? This is the serious matter.
What is serious?
This!
That you slept with your house help. And it's going to continue.
It's not going to continue.
Anyway, let's talk about something more serious, like you said. How is your father taking the whole thing?
My father. Yeah, I never get liver to pick and call. He's been calling endlessly. At some point, I had to switch off my phone.
And how long are you going to do that?
As long as it takes for me to get ready to talk to him. I can't take his calls now.
You have to brace up. Man up and get this sorted out with him once and for all. You can't keep shying away.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready. When I get ready, or when I'm ready, I'll talk to him. I'm not ready now.
I hope you're going to drink today because... barman, you have to drink. You've started.
I don't
That's
understand.
not going to be a one-off.
What are we drinking to?
You have to drink alcohol.
I'm not drinking alcohol.
You have to drink alcohol.
I'm not drinking. Okay, fine, I'll drink water. Let him get water. I don't know what we are drinking to.
What are you scared of? I told you, what happened was not as a result of alcohol. It's a mindset that you have already created.
Why didn't it happen before when I did not drink alcohol? See, when bad things want to happen, they all happen at once. I'm not drinking any alcohol.
Leave that matter.
I'm not drinking today.
You have to drink it.
Okay. I'll drink water. I'll drink water.
Oh yeah, eat now. Yeah? So you won't faint again on the inside. You'll be awake and strong for the next action.
I never get strong.
You are strong.
I just wake small, but inside me I faint. I never get strong.
You are strong. You are strong. Yeah? Strong. Drink. Oh, Bodogu, the time man, make I find you small. Yeah? Don't worry, make I go inside, come back. I dey come. Make I bring more sugar. Sugar no dey inside. I dey come, yeah? Don't sleep off, you are awake. Mazi, did I bring that to you? Mazi! Where did he go to?
Thief. Who you?
Maggie. I'm not a thief.
Maggie? What's it be Maggie?
She want to kill you.
My?
No, not my. Pumeme.
What? Get up.
I don't want her to see me.
Which one is Pumeme?
Pumeme.
Why you come naked?
Maggie, she want to finish me. Pumeme every time. Pumeme.
What's it be Pumeme?
Pumeme now. Pumeme in the morning, Pumeme in the night, Pumeme in the afternoon. Every time. I don't do 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Every time, Pumeme. She won't finish me.
So something where your mates they find, you reach your turn now, you begin run.
Even you.
You will start work, you don't go finish her. Maggie! Maggie! It ain't here. Oh. Who they find it? Who they find the boyfriend? It ain't here. Hey. Oga, what are you doing? What? Oga, this one on my work now. Now the reason why I dey here with that.
See, pasta is my favorite, like absolute favorite. Sometimes I like to prepare it myself.
Oga, no be pasta. I dey cook pasta, they cook spaghetti together, all of them. Leave am make I do am na my work.
Okay. All right, come and help me with the tomatoes.
Hi.
While I cook the pasta.
Like, come they stain your hands.
It's something I love doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oga, if you like say na your phone, let me go and bring it.
No, don't worry. I'll get it.
Oga, where is pasta now? Now only spaghetti dey here. Oh. I need to mix them together. How you want to do them?
Hello, Dad.
Why haven't you been picking my calls?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Sorry doesn't cut it. I'm highly disappointed in you. The biggest mistake I made was to trust you with that contract. I warned you about making hasty decisions, but you assured me that you were capable of handling it. Now see what your incompetence has cost me and the company.
Dad, I am really sorry.
You should be ashamed of yourself, Atwood. The company lost about 20 million because you threw caution to the wind. Now you listen to me. Listen and listen carefully. You have to devise means of recovering that money. Otherwise, I'll cut you off from your family.
Okay, Dad.
Sir, the pasta done ready. So I don't know whether make a cucumber just do the stew like that. Turn out to jollof.
No. Don't worry, okay? I'll make the food myself.
Okay.
Alright?
Hold on.
Babe. I didn't know you were coming in today. Babe, are you alright? Babe. It's so good to see you, no? You're welcome, babe. Are you looking for something? What's it? Oh. Is it dusty? Babe. What are you looking for? Babe, Why are you acting strange?
Whose hair is this?
It's yours now.
Mine. Mine. Have you ever seen me wear a coily wig before? You know, I should have just told Awele to monitor you. But I felt like that would belittle you.
What's your problem?
My problem is that you brought in another woman into this room while I was away and you're lying about it.
What are you talking about? The hair is yours. I don't even know the difference between coily, straight. Babe, believe me.
Believe you. Now I'll ask you this question for the very last time. And you dare not lie to me. Odumodu Nwadike, whose hair is this? Get your hands off.
She's giving me silent treatment. I don't know what to do. Listen, this is not the time for the blame game, okay? What I need now is a solution. I don't even know why I called you. You're just useless to me.
Awele's birthday is tomorrow, and I would like to give her a little surprise. I need some money to go get her the gifts.
Babe, this silent treatment is killing me. I am sorry. I am really sorry.
When am I getting the money? Happy birthday, Awele. Take it. It's yours. Take it. I hope you like it. I wasn't sure what color you would like.
Mama, nobody don't buy cake for me for this life before.
Hey!
Hey! Mama, thank
You're
you.
welcome.
And you also have a bottle of wine. Happy birthday.
Boss! Oh, boss, this one na best. This one na my bestie. Bestie of life. Hey, thank you, sir.
Happy birthday. Yeah?
How you gonna do it? Whether you're gonna dance, but I wanna spread.
Mama the mama. The richest of the richest. Mama, only you na you. Mama, this money where you get, na long money. Mama the mama. Oh, God bless you, Mama. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Mama, I blow siren for you. Daddy, make I cry. I don't know. Chorus right. Hello.
Awele. It's no.
Daddy, they feel Mama, continue. Mama, nothing will ever make you stop for this life. Your hand gonna go, they come. Who they breathe? Who born you? Who's your mama? Mama, the mama. Bring it back. Mama, they drop back. Mama, they drop back. Mama, you too much. See money. Mama, your money, they spend money. Oh, tomorrow, thank you. Mama, thank you. Hey, oh, God bless you.
Clean this thing well now. Look at the edges. How will you see this place? See here. How will you come back? Are you? Willie,
Mom.
Are you okay?
Yes, Mom.
So clean this thing well now. What's going on? Clean it well.
Mom, I've cleaned it.
It's not. Can't you see the?
Why do you think she's pregnant?
Because she threw up like twice while we were cleaning the sitting room a few minutes ago. I don't want to conclude until tomorrow. Talk to us. Were you pregnant before you came here? So who is responsible for the pregnancy now?
Pregnancy.
Listen, Awele, you are like a sister to me, us. And if you tell us who is responsible for this pregnancy, we will make sure that the person takes full responsibility. Right, baby?
Ma.
Awele, talk now.
Oh, shit.
Hey.
My belly told me.
Oh, yeah, talk now. When you talk, you can go. Right? It's not hard now. Awele. Awele.
Okay.
It's not like this girl to leave her door open. Awele. Awele. Baby. Yes. Come.
Wow.
Awele's room is empty. Her bag is gone. She's gone.
How? I don't understand. She's gone.
The room is empty.
How do you mean? Awele. What happened?
I don't know.
Did she tell you anything?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I just saw her room door open and found out she's gone.
She didn't tell you anything?
Nothing at all. Nothing. I think we should have been too. Baby, what do we do?
Yes, maybe call her. Let's call her, okay? Let's find out where she is. Are you calling her? I should call her. Let me call her.
Oh, okay.
Yes, let me call her.
Who's she?
I know, but it's not even going.
Let's
No,
check
no.
the compound. Let's check.
Yeah, check the compound.
Awele!
Guy, come on now. You're not understanding me. I'm saying she is pregnant. For me now, for me. The incident that happened, no. Don't say it was a mistake. Purely a mistake. I didn't even know it was going to happen. Eve confirmed the pregnancy. She did a test by herself so she knows. See, the problem is that... Exactly. That's not even the problem. The thing is, I can't find her. She's nowhere to be found. I've called her number severally. It's not reachable. I am confused right now. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Yes, that's what I want. If you see her, let me know. I'll forward her pictures to you. So you help me look for her. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Eve, my daughter, what is the problem?
My heart is broken, sir.
Oh dear, what happened?
Billy is pregnant for Odumodu.
What? How? What happened?
Chief, I can't take this anymore. I've loved Odumodu with everything in me. What else was I supposed to do? Haven't I been a good girlfriend to him? Why would he do a thing like this to me? After all the sacrifices I've made, Chief, Odumodu took my love and threw it to the dogs.
I'll be in Lagos tomorrow, God willing. When I come, we'll sort all this out, okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't do anything rash. I'm coming, okay?
Awele. What are you doing here? What is the problem? Awele, what is the problem?
Nothing.
Then why are you here? Abi, the people that you work for, they pursue you?
No.
Do you want to go back to village?
I don't even get anybody for that side. I don't get where I won't go.
Okay. You follow me to my house.
No.
No. You follow me so that maybe if you sleep for my house today, then you decide where to go tomorrow. Because staying here will not help you. You hear? I beg. We'll go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hi. How will we be here? Huh? Let's go. Awole. Yes, yes. Hmm? Yeah, it's time to eat. Yeah.
I'm not hungry.
No, now, no. You need this food. Eh? At least I know as a pregnant woman, if you don't need this food, but your baby will need it. At least eat it because of your baby, so that you'll be okay. You'll be fine, well. Or should I feed you?
No.
No problem. I eat. Make sure you finish this food. If you finish them, you lie down and sleep.
You where you go sleep?
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry about me. I'll go outside then I'll look for one place, just sleep. My own concern is for you to sleep and feel comfortable.
Thank you so much.
See, Awele, don't thank me. Thank God. Thank God, yeah? Don't worry. Just finish this food. I will. Yay! Might find my way. Hey.
Yeah, my daughter, since you've made up your mind to leave, I respect that. You know, a lot of people stay to take what they don't like because of what people will say. But I respect your courage. But don't forget that I'm still your father. If you need anything, just come to me, okay?
Yes. Sir.
Now come in.
Sir, I just want to say thank you so much for the love and the care that you showed me. I really appreciate you, sir.
That's okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. So take it easy now.
All right.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye now.
Didn't she give up so easily? I mean, you claimed you loved somebody, you couldn't even stand to fight.
Exactly. Shut up! Shut up, you fool. Empty head. It is because she loved you. That was why she took all that nonsense. No, I'm not going to be leaving so soon. You'll have to go and look for Awele. Find her and bring her back so that she can undergo her pregnancy here. No child or grandchild of mine must be raised outside. Do you understand me?
Yes, Dad.
See you.
So what are you going to do?
Mazi, so it's true. I heard you brought another woman to this house, Mazi. You're even washing her clothes, Mazi. You're washing her pants, her bra. Mazi, since when I know you, you never washed my pants before. You never washed my bra before, Mazi. I beg you, leave me. I go shout. Where's she there? Leave me. Where's she there?
Keep quiet. No go disgrace yourself where my sister did.
Hey, sister, kill you there. I'll give me your phone. Bring the phone, make I see now. Give me your phone. Show me a family picture. Where she there? Your mama, your papa. You, the girl, where she there for the picture? Show me your phone.
Wait. Hey, I talk him. Say this thing way waka from that place. They shout. You know, come here with your clear eye. Who give you this thing way drink? Who give you?
Will you give me what I drink?
My baby pie, my sugar, my yori yori, my one and only, my pino. In fact, after you, na you. Baby, nothing gemenga. You're my sugar.
Sugar kill you there. Sugar now you go kill you. Diabetes now you go kill you. Oh, not true. I remember saying that diabetes now kill your papa. Now your papa die of diabetes. He go kill you, Mercy. He go kill you. What should they?
No, go do this thing. Don't try this thing. No, don't do this thing what they do. No, just try it.
Mercy, after everything where they do me. Mercy, this my cane leg that this time. No be so they bomb me. Now you go hit me like this. Hit me like this, Mercy. You dey gree me sleep for nights. 2 a.m. You go wake me up. 2 rounds, 3 rounds, 4 rounds. Mercy, I go to sleep. Something gonna shoot me for back. Mercy, it's not fair now. Mercy, that's how the love they be.
This is where to talk now. I don't find opportunity to talk my own, but I don't see. But no opportunity to come. This is where they said I'm with you. Now you just do me. Every night you go, see what I do you. Every night you go, see what I do you. But continue to trust to God. If I see opportunity to leave you, I will not leave you. If I don't leave you, call me bastard. See if I tell you. As I get like this, I don't understand myself again. See me, I don't get belly. Man is supposed to get belly. What do you remember for me now? I'm going to board. Which is that will come up. You're not at the passport road. Train just pass me back. Please carry me at this and I wrapped on the thing. Now I'm all man. Throw my clothes back. Tell me so I begin where to go. If not because of that woman, I'm for there and they talk to me. I for not come out for this life. Now you do me this thing when they do me. Tell me so I'm
Where she dey? Where she dey? Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
If I have wings like a dove, I'll fly your way. Just to be with you every day. But wait a minute, what if you are not there? I'll be lost in the air. I don't wanna be lonely, it will break me. I'd rather stay here with you in my arms. Hello, my love. Are you there, my love? My sugar love.
You're still here.
Are you done already?
I've finished my chores, I've taken my bath, I've done my makeup, and you're still here. Babe, you know it's over a month since Grace left us. You and Chief need to employ a new housekeeper.
No, we don't.
Yes, you do. How do you want to cope when I go back to school now? See, we need to start searching for a new housekeeper. It's very important because you are using 4 hours now to clean people. What? Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm just wondering, What I did to deserve
If
you.
I have wings like a dove, I'll fly your way.
And
just to be with
I will always
you
love you.
every day. But wait a minute.
Go back to your training.
What if
You
you are
can't
not
be cheating.
there?
I'm done with my
I'll
own.
be
Finish
lost
it.
in the air.
When I say I love you, help me clean. Okay?
I help you do what?
Yeah.
When we were sharing the chores, you didn't know.
There's love in sharing.
Look for a new housekeeper.
Look at this. Are you walking away?
Bye.
Really?
With you in
Even after I said I love you.
arms. Hello, my love. Are you there? My love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. Hello, my love. Hello, my love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. Hello, my love. Are you there? My love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. Hello, my love. Hello, my love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. If I have wings like a dove, I'll fly your way. Just to be with you every day. But wait a minute, what if you are not there? I'll be lost in the air. I don't wanna be lonely, it will break me. I'd rather stay here with you in my arms. Hello, my love. Are you there? My love. My sugar love. My love. Everlasting love. My love. Hello. Now maybe your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Now maybe your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Now maybe your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Oh yeah, make a move for you. I go blow siren for you now. We want. Make I cry for you. Now you be mama, yeah. Now you be papa, yeah. You go shine now, shine like morning star. Make I shout for you. Onto Colos. Isimo. Neme. Ewo. Awele. Now maybe your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Awele. Now maybe your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger.
Any luck?
I think we just have to go home. I'm tired. We have to go home. We'll continue some other time.
Okay. Let's go.
I go blow siren for you now. We want. Make I cry for you. Now you be mama, yeah. Now you be papa, yeah. You go shine now, shine like morning star. Make I shout for you. Onto Colos. Isimo.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Did you find her?
No, sir.
You must look for her, even if it's in the land of the spirits. Your position in this family as my son will be determined by you finding her. Do I have water in my mouth when I was speaking? If you like, pound on the floor. If you don't like, pound inside the mortar.
Yes.
Now maybe your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Awele. Now maybe your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Awele. Now maybe your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger.
Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say.
Odogwu afụdị mba foko oke ime ganga uda sụrụ na mba nụọ na mba ọ dị onye dị ka gị onye ma ahụ aka ọgba drọ ịdị ka nwoke na-adị ịdị ka achọ afụdị mba foko oke ime ibu uda sụrụ na mba nụọ na mba ọgene na-ele ego na-ele ego na-ele ego na-enibe mbele onwe m onye na-eme m ihu a onye na-eme m ihu a ọgene Ije, see money. I can never be poor in my life. No. What's on my you put that on ammo. See poverty partner fire you. See money. Hey, I will never.
Life are not like that, bro. But see, me, I can. All these things where they see, you go maneuver. You go maneuver. If I tell you my own story, my God. No, see, I'm as anything. Just they pray to God. God will see you. Yeah. All your enemy, your prayer should be, make God make your enemy. If they see you, they will testify. Say, this person who don't try, make you never do this one. Then they progress. So if you try, God will disgrace all your enemies. That's the dream thing. No, share my anything, say something happened. Nothing happened. If you say and say something happened, let me say, you go to weigh you down. As a fact like this, before you know it, you will scream, bah! Your enemy because say yes, you don't do one well. How you like? That's not school. That's not school. Now, one person will know. Reach now, another person start. Even when my papa died, now so our kindred they come. Say we go buy 10 cow. We actually money to buy 10 cow.
10 cow.
I will tell you, before you know it, they begin to drag the land where we get. If you say we sell the land, before buy the 10 cow and do the better, then drag the land. So now God do. One day I can go church. One big man, they put them up 30 billion. So that business in they pray for them, God do that business. Now they pray for 10 cow now. And they pray for that kind of same cow, 100,000. My brother don't can 1 million naira. And the man goes here, and they use my 1 million naira problem, they disturb in 30 billion. Come. So the man can 2 million naira. pray answer. Go do better. Go there, all I want them to do better. Do better.
Mazi.
Ava. Hi.
How are you?
Good morning. I dey fine. How's everything? This one where you find me come my house today. Hope all is well.
All is well. Please, I'm looking for Awele. Have you seen her?
Awele? No. The last time I saw her was at her birthday. She should be in your house, not here. I even planned to say that I will come to your house and see her because it's been long. This one, I hope all is well. Do you pursue her or she ran away?
No. Nothing of such happened. Well, thank you for your time, okay? Thank you. But please, if you see Awele, let me know.
Definitely, I will tell you. I must tell you. Trust me.
All right. Thank you so much.
Odumodu, I will ask you to join me for this tea, but you know, it's morning thing. He's already finished, so don't worry.
It's okay, I'm fine. But please, Mazi, do not forget.
I promise.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. You're sharp. How do you manage? This guy nearly catch us. Thank God. Thank God. Don't worry. You maneuver all these things. Just one. Thank you. Hey.
Odumodu.
Yes.
I want you to tell me the truth. Do you still love Eve?
Honestly, I don't know. I think maybe I'm looking for closure. Maybe it's guilt. I don't know which one it is. Honestly.
You don't seem to know what you want in this situation. But I think I have an idea.
Okay.
You can actually create an opening for the forgiveness that you are looking for. You have her account details. Pay some money into her account.
No.
When she gets money she did not ask for, naturally it will create an opening for what you are looking for, which is forgiveness.
No. Okay. I don't want it to be induced. I want to go to bed at night and know that Eve forgave me. That I didn't buy it.
What you are looking for is her forgiveness.
Of course.
However you got it is immaterial. The end they say justifies the means.
Well.
So,
true.
What about Awele?
That one. Yeah.
Awele. Awele.
Oh. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
What are you doing?
Make I go and quickly wash am.
Oh, it's fine. I will.
Okay, wash am now. Put am for fan. Use iron dry am. Hey.
Honestly, I miss her. For some weird reasons, I don't know. The house is so quiet without her. Like, without her in the house, it just feels empty.
Interesting.
Oh, my dad. Hello, Dad. What? Where? I'm on my way. Yes, Dad. I'm coming right away. Okay, Dad. Dad just found out Willie.
Oh, really?
Honestly, I have to go right now. Are you coming with me?
I will join you later.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. But I still feel like... Thank you so much for always being there. Willie.
Baby, I'm so sorry.
What are you doing?
I don't dey call you since, but you know they pick. Eh? You see the vex because of that quarrel where we quarrel. That small quarrel.
Maggie,
Mm?
I beg. I use God beg you. If you want in fact, make a kneel down.
Hey, baby,
Maggie,
no kneel down now. No be God now.
I beg. Just go. Any day when you see me as your enemy. Not even see me as your love again. You dey hear me? In fact, what are you doing here? Because this is not your house.
I know if you leave. I know if you be your enemy. You know they possible. I am sorry now. See, since that day we will quarrel, I know they concentrate. I dey sleep, I dey dream about you. Even for my work self, I just they do mistake everywhere. Madam, the Kukuma sack me. Now you cause am now.
See, Maggie, thank God. Thank God. Say na for dream, you dey see me. And I still want beg you. If you see me for dream next time, I beg close your eye.
Don't talk like this.
Why you see me for dream? They don't sack you for dream. Now for life, they can't sack you. But you dey see me for dream. If you see me for dream, close your eye. If you see me for life, no come here next time. I use God beg you. Just leave me. It's over between us. I don't even have your chance again.
Baby, it's not over. Okay, baby, you know what? You say my body need to marry. Because of all those things when I they go through, just no go inside. Just give me one. My body will. You know?
I should give you one.
Yes, just one.
And your body will dead down.
Yes.
Okay. It's quite unfortunate that my sister is at home. So it will not work today. Leave it. Just forget about it.
You and this your sister. Are you sure she's even your sister safe?
You go what? See, let me tell you, Maggie. One day, you go just die for Pumame. One day, you go there, you die.
Oh, you're sorry now.
Okay. No, just start. No, just start.
Sorry now. Sorry. Okay, you know what?
What happened?
If you just tell her say your friend there around, she could just stay for compound. Then you go inside. Just one. Bend. Just one.
Just bend. Now, so they take sweet you rich. See, forget this thing.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Forget them.
2 minutes.
Forget them.
1 minute.
Forget them.
Hey, Azi. Mami,
I know. Just forget them.
Okay, you know what?
What happened?
When we go my house, I go tell my roommates them. They could just leave us. You go just stay for my house.
See, if I just go your house now, bam, we begin to do pumeme. And God come on eyes like this. Devil open his eye for where me and you they do pumeme. I can't die inside your house. Waiting people go talk say, now you carry me call your house and I waiting that they do for your house make me die. And they do pumeme for my house. You know if you walk.
Baby, you will not die.
Amen.
You will not die.
Amen. See, leave this matter. You get what no one tell you.
Okay.
Wait. See, you see this house? Very soon, Morga will come back. And Morga say if he come back, say anything will be my choice. Say he go do it for me. But that thing will be my choice. When I want to tell her, I want to tell you now.
Okay, tell me.
I want to tell Morga say, make him send you Canada for me. Yeah.
Really? Okay. Okay, you go with me, Abi?
No. You go Canada. I go there here.
Okay, so I go just go there now, day alone. I go dey follow Ibo now.
Wait, oh. You want to do Pumeme with Igbo people?
Who gonna do me people for there?
I never send you. You don't die for Igbo. Woman on a day bad. You see, no help woman, no help woman. I go be like saying another thing. They talk. Small Canada, why they say they go send you. I go send you. You don't get plan to the do Pumeme with Igbo people.
You don't. I never go to Canada now. Calm down now. I never go now.
You see that Canada? No go again. Now me and you go there here. So that you go to Pumeme. And see, I will tell Morgan. If I ask a man give me this house to change that wish, if he give me, I will go to use master room, the Pumeme for master room. At times, if we no go visitor, we go visitor room, go Pumeme for visitor. That means Pumeme visitor, Pumeme master, Pumeme kitchen, Pumeme toilet.
I like it.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you.
Yes.
Do you know the young man that lives just down the road there by your right? 2 cars are parked in front of that building.
A dark young man.
Yes.
What happened to him?
I saw him and Awele walking out.
Mazi! 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 Where's Awele?
Awele is supposed to do your house, not my house.
Do you think I'm joking with you? Where's Awele?
Ross, who is joking? I'm not the joke with you. Awele is supposed to do your house, not my house. In fact, you know this thing, you leave your house. Come here. Now leave this.
Hey, Mazi! Are you mad? Mazi! Mazi! Think I'm here to play. Stand up! Mazi! 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 I was playing. Now wake up. Mazi, wake up. Mazi! Mazi! Hey! Mazi! Mazi! Hey! Mazi, wake up! Mazi, wake up! Mazi, please wake up! Wake up, Mazi!
Come back, young man. Come back. Come back. You know, in life, we must be circumspect and rational in our reasoning. Otherwise, we might make mistakes or regret in future.
So, what do we do, Dad?
For now, nothing.
Nothing.
For now, nothing.
Yeah, who is it?
Udumor, please come.
Okay.
I saw Awele.
Where?
She's lying down in the gutter. I think she's drunk.
My God.
So, I just want to come with me, so I'll be setting it up.
Let's go now, let's go. Wait. Give me 1 second, please. 1 second.
I'm by the car.
Hello? Private jet. I do.
Yes.
Yes.
Are we going to leave the other one?
I tell Oclus Bravo to bring private jet. But hello?
You are in the mortuary.
Mortuary? Ah! Lord of Jesus! I'm not dead. I'm not dead. Oh. What am I doing here? How?
So you are one of those stubborn spirits that have refused to rest in peace.
Hey! So, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm not dead. Lord of Jesus. I'm not dead. Oh. I'm not dead. I think you're mistaken. I'm not dead, sir. I can never be dead.
Madam.
Jesus, sir.
You were brought in here dead.
No! I'm not. No, sir, please. Let me call my people. Let me give you a number. Oh, Jesus. Lord of Jesus.
Hello, Peter.
Oh, no, not Peter. I'm my father-in-law.
Get me those injections.
Hey, I'm pregnant, sir. Chief Wadike is my father-in-law. No, it's not my father-in-law. It's just a long story, but I'm pregnant for Chief Wadike's son. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. Daddy, I'm not dead.
My friend, come back.
Daddy, it's me.
Some group of boys brought her here yesterday. Dead.
No, Daddy, I'm not dead. It's just small kai that drinks more. It's looking like I now slept small. I don't know. They brought me to the mortuary. I'm not dead.
She's dead.
I'm not dead. Daddy, I promise you, I will never drink kai in my life again. I will never touch it. Even if I see kai, I will just walk out and pass. I will just run.
She drinks.
Yes.
And gets
Small.
drunk at times.
But Chief, how can a young woman, a pregnant woman, drink herself to stupor always?
No.
It is very obvious.
No, I will not drink
Now
again.
she's dead. And she's complaining. She's dead.
I'm not, Daddy. I'm not dead. I will never drink again.
Hello? Private jet. I do.
Let's go.
Son.
Dad.
How is she?
I'm really worried. She's still in a bad shape. Very bad shape. I had to clean her up. Dad, do you think she'll be alright?
Of course. Of course, she'll be alright. She'll be fine. She'll be fine. I have a plan. Bernard.
Sir.
This is an important assignment. You have to act like a mortician.
Chief. Me? Mortician? I've not done that thing before.
Who has ever done anything before? You are only going to act. Then, when they bring her, she must be in the middle of those that are dead. You understand? We want a situation in which as soon as she wakes up, she'll be so terrified that she'll be thinking she was dead, so that she will not take alcohol again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
We must never fail, my friend. Huh?
Let me just try. But Chief,
No, don't try. You can do it.
Okay, sir.
Oh, good, Bernard. Now go. Okay. I thank you for your inconveniences. Chief. I'll take her home. I'll sort out your bills, okay?
Thank you. Daddy.
Right.
Daddy.
I know it has been rough for you the past few weeks. What happened was not what anyone planned for, but it has happened. And as the mother of my child, I want to make sure you're comfortable. And I don't want you to go through this journey alone. I want to be with you every step of the way. I want you to remain here with us until you are delivered of the baby. I will also hire a house help to take care of you.
House help?
Yes.
Hey, no. They hire house help for house help. Hey, house help.
I will. What my son, my nephew, and myself are saying is that we want to be part of the pregnancy. We want to be part of it until this child is delivered. And after the delivery, we can then begin to think of the way forward. So we want you to be comfortable. Just be here.
Daddy, I want to thank you so much. Ever since I came into this house, you people have treated me with love and accepted me as your own. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. You know, personally, I just wish I could see Auntie Eve so that I can apologize to her. I don't know, but she was...
Well, what if I tell you that Eve is here?
Huh? Mama, I beg. Mama, please forgive me. You were so nice to me. You treated me like your sister, like your own. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
It's okay. Eve, sit down. I will sit down. Sit.
Mama, sorry.
It's okay. Listen, it's fine. It's okay. I came because Chief asked me to be here. And this is also to show you that I have nothing against you. I bear no grudge at all. My heart is free.
Eve, thank you for coming. Now that we have separated the knots, I think the next step is now for us to drink to it. So, son, you and
exactly.
You go and arrange.
Okay.
Go and arrange it. Let's thank God for today. Let's thank Eve that she has unburdened what was worrying her. So we thank God for this day and for these drinks. Let us drink and drink health. Okay?
Amen.
Amen. Okay, Awele, choose the one you want. You are the one that's pregnant.
Ladies first.
Exactly.
Lady plus.
Double it. Well, this is a new dot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, everybody. Oh yeah, pick.
This is
all
good.
right.
This is good.
Pick. So, the ladies are doing the same thing.
This is beautiful.
Now let me now know what the men will do.
Okay. The ball is on your court. Keeping it real.
Thank you very much.
I like to go here.
Go ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah, hold on. Mazi.
My brother.
How are you?
Good morning. Fine. Now we'll back.
Oh.
I say make I return because as you know, come carry the bag. I can't wonder what she gonna do. Can't they think maybe she dey do wash them in the night, wear them in the morning. Yeah, wash and wear. I can't say I carry her clothes come. This.
Thank you very much. But she has no need for these clothes.
Eh?
Yes, she has better clothes now.
Hey! Thank you.
Yeah, you can keep them.
Oh, Papa,
why? Well, she doesn't need them at all.
No problem. I should say that she doesn't need them. No problem. Who am I? Make I see her. I know say it's been long that I see her.
Awele is not around. She went for antenatal.
Hey. Yeah. Thank God. Well,
yeah, well, you can come check on her later on, okay?
Okay.
Anytime, actually, anytime. But thank you so much for being thoughtful.
That is what I know how to do best. Not the cajot. As you say, she doesn't need it. No problem now.
Yeah, I know she doesn't need them. She doesn't need them at all.
I'm glad. Greet her for me.
I will. I'll see you around, Mazi.
All right.
Such a character.
Huh? What? Huh?
Oh, but not the beg where I beg you. You still won't leave me go.
I dey go. I dey come.
No, they carry bag now. Maybe you forget something. You won't go collect them. You don't know so you go see me.
My sugar pie. My yeri. My one and only. Ebonim. See, let me tell you. I know the game. This is my sister bag.
She don't go?
You not settle with your guy. So as I carry the bag go, And they say, make I carry the bag, come back. Say, they don't settle. Thank God that you're here, sir. If you carry the clothes, sir.
You say?
Gift.
Listen.
Awa.
You the man. Who go wear this thing? You. Carry and go give your mama for village, I beg.
Your body too the hot. Your body too the hot. Anything, which cloth is there? Carry and go give your mama. If you wear this cloth now, bad thing will happen.
Oh, so she don't go, Abi?
She don't go.
She need to come here.
No, they don't settle.
Mama.
Huh?
Mama.
Yeah! You guys say the first time when you come this morning, you talk. I'll be talking. You like women? But you like women, huh? But don't like women. Even talking like women, so you be dumb. I'll be talking. Women. Equity! Neighbors, I want you to women.
Let me be your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Let me be your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Let me be your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger.
Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Oh yeah, make a move for you. I go blow siren for you now. Make I cry for you. Now you be mama aya, now you be papa aya. You go shine now, shine like morning star. Make I shout for you, onto colos. Isimo, Neme, Ewo.
Let me be your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Let me be your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger. Let me be your hype man. Anywhere I show, I bring up your ginger.
Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Your face show, your shoe shine, no time for say them say. Oh yeah, make a move for you. I go blow siren for you now. Make I cry for you. Now you be mama aya, now you be papa aya. You go shine now, shine like morning star. Make I shout for you, onto colos. Isimo.